In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your subscription on Dropbox Sign. Whether you're moving on to a different service or you simply no longer need the features of Dropbox Sign, I'll guide you through the steps to cancel your subscription. We'll cover everything you need to know to make this process as smooth as possible. First, let's open up your preferred web browser and search for Dropbox Sign. Once you're at the Dropbox Sign homepage, you'll need to log into your account. Be sure you use the correct credentials associated with the subscription you wish to cancel. If you've forgotten your password or are having trouble logging in, you can use the Forgot Password link to retrieve your login details through your email. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find your profile picture or initials. This is your avatar. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you're going to select Settings. This is where you'll find various options related to your account preferences, but right now, we're interested in the billing information. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Billing tab at the top of the screen. Click on this tab to view your current plan details. Here you'll find all related payment and subscription information. Keep an eye out for the option to manage your plan, which will typically list your current subscription status and expiry date, allowing you to make informed decisions. Next, search for the Cancel Plan button on this billing page. It's usually positioned under your plan details. Hit this button once you're ready to proceed with the cancellation. Dropbox Sign might ask you to confirm that you do want to cancel your subscription. This is a standard procedure to ensure that cancellations are intentional. Make sure to read any prompts carefully, as there might be important information about the cancellation, such as when your current subscription period will end or any retention offers Dropbox Sign may present. As you follow through these prompts, ensure you complete each step diligently. Some services may ask for feedback on why you're choosing to cancel, which can be valuable for their business improvements but doesn't affect your ability to cancel. Once you've completed the cancellation process, you should receive a confirmation email. This will serve as proof that your subscription has been canceled, so be sure to check your inbox. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you've successfully canceled your subscription on Dropbox Sign. If you ever change your mind, you can always renew your subscription at a later date. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more useful tips and tricks.